In May 2015, 28 human trafficking camps and 139 burial plots were found at the Malaysian-Thai border in Perlis. Today, we are heading over to another trafficking camp, which is a follow-up from our previous crime watch in Wang, Burma. The US Department of State upgraded Malaysia to Tier 2 in the Trafficking in Persons report. That created an international uproar because of the discovery of the graves. Despite efforts by human rights groups pushing for an inquiry on the graves since the discovery of the gruesome camps, sadly, nothing much has been done. 10 minutes of the ride into the jungle together with the minister who is bringing us here on the trip today along properly stone roads, there is a police base here. And we have about another 15 more minutes ride into the jungle in a four-wheel drive before we start the hike up, which is about 1 kilometer away from the main road. Minister in the Prime Minister's Department, Datuk Seri Shahidan Kasim, led the hike up the camp. I am now at the largest trafficking campsite at the Malaysian-Thai border, which can host more than 1,000 people at one point of time. This is 3 or 4 times larger than the one that we visited earlier, and from the watchtower here I can see there are about 6 watchtowers watching over this area which is surrounded by barbed wires. And it is all proper structure compared to the ones we have seen earlier. On the other side, across the river, there's a recreation area with a kitchen and even a surau for the traffickers to probably pray. The larger settlement that we saw just now and the difference in structure indicates there could be more than one syndicate running this human trafficking business, and they most likely have come in from the Thai side. The latest update that we got from the minister is that border security has been tightened and more police base has been set up to patrol the forest reserve area.